my channel. In today's video, we'll discuss how to play Tequila from the Ventures in acoustic guitar. Mainly Tequila is the electric guitar version, but we'll discuss and I will show how you should play Tequila in acoustic guitars. Okay. Now, first let's look at the chord and strumming pattern. Okay, so the main scale is A, so we'll take A and G. That's the strumming style. Down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down. Look carefully. Down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down. Okay, so A and G, A and G, A and G. Okay, and the another chords is vital chord. Yes, yes. A diminished 7, A diminished 7. Look at the chord. Okay, first string on 8th fret, third string on 8th fret, third and first on 8th fret, and then second and fourth on 7th fret, second string and fourth string on 7th fret, first string and third string on 8th fret. Yes. And that's the fingering. Okay, fourth finger, third finger, second finger, first finger. Yes, A diminished 7. Okay, then this is B7 and E7. B7, you know B7? Fourth on 9th, third on 8th, second on 9th, fourth on 9th, third on 8th, and second on 10th, and first on 7th. Yes, that's the thing. B7, and then E7. Similar position, similar fingering on 12th fret, and this is 7th fret. B7, E7, and you can take E7 here also. Then you have to take, yes, 7th fret, 5th string, then 4th string, 6th fret, then 3rd string, 7th fret, and 2nd string, 5th fret. This is E7. So this is B7, this is E7, this is B7, this is E7. So, now the melody. I'm playing slowly. So this is A string on 7th fret and D string on 7th fret. Then G string 4th fret, D string 5th fret, and then D string 7th fret and A string 7th fret. Look once again. Yes. E string 7th fret, D string 7th fret, and G string 4th fret, and D string 5th fret, and D string 7th fret. Okay. Then G string 6th fret. Yes, this is C sharp. Look carefully. B string 5th fret, G string 7th fret. Yes, this is G string 6th fret. Then G string 7th fret, 6th fret and 4th fret. Then G string 6th fret, 4th fret and D string 7th fret. Then G string 4th fret, D string 7th fret and D string 5th fret. Then D string 5th fret and D string 7th fret, D string 5th fret and A string 7th fret. E string 5th fret and B string 5th fret. G string 7th fret. Then same. This is another phrase. B string 5th fret and E string 5th fret. E string 7th fret, B string 8th fret. Then B string 8th fret, B string 8th fret, A string 5th fret, B string 8th fret, E string 5th fret and E string 7th fret. Then here diminished 7, diminished 7, A diminished 7, A. This is A on lower octave, this is A on higher octave. Okay? Then you can play as this, little odd. You can play A diminished 7 and A to A. Then B7, E7, Tequila.